Hello.
Hello, Kenchi. Hello, Kenchi. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, sorry teacher is late because Zoom is not responding. So I have to restart my computer, okay? Okay, Kenchi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's nice. So how was your weekend, Kenchi?
What?
How was your weekend? It means, what did you do in Saturday and in Sunday?
I don't know. I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay. So, did you go out to eat in a restaurant?
No.
Oh, you just stayed at home.
Yes.
That's nice. And, okay, so how was the weather tonight or today in Vietnam?
Vietnam?
Yes, is it raining or is it
Oh,
sunny?
it's raining.
Oh, really? Here in the Philippines too, it's raining every afternoon.
In Vietnam, raining a little bit.
A little
In
bit
evening.
only. Oh, that's nice because here in the Philippines, it's raining very hard in the afternoon. Okay, so here is our lesson for tonight. It's still opening.
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 I can see.
Oh, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight.
Good night.
Okay, what's the lesson, Kanchi? Can you read, please?
Unit 10. People in a street.
Okay, so what can you say about the picture, Kanchi?
I see many people.
What are they doing?
They are walking
Yes, where are they?
in the street.
Yes, very good. In the street. Okay, so Kanchi, close your eyes and think about your dream house. Okay, so question number 1, Kanchi. What does it look like? Your dream house. What does it look like?
This looks like a garden.
Garden?
Yes.
Wow, so your house has many plants.
Yes.
Okay. Now, is your house a flat or a house?
A house.
Okay. So you like living in a house and not in a flat? You
What
like
is a flat?
a flat means that is like a building with lots of bedroom. It's like a hotel. Okay, but you will live in one room only. Do you like living in that place?
Yes, flat.
A flat, but it's small and you don't have garden in the flat.
House.
Yes, because when you're living in a flat, you're living in or you're going upstairs using the elevator, but you don't have garden.
Yes.
So you like in house.
Yes.
Okay, so is it tall? You like a tall house, Kanchi? Do you like
Tall.
tall? Wow. Is it old?
Tall.
Is it old or new?
New.
New. Okay, very good. But why don't you like living in an old house?
I don't like.
Why? It has monsters or ghosts. When you live in an old house, there might be a monster or a ghost, right?
Yeah.
So it's better to live in a new house. Okay, next one, Kenchi. How many floors has it got?
2 floors.
2 floors only. Okay, so what can we see on the first floor?
See a door, a living room,
Mm-hmm.
a kitchen.
A kitchen. Now, how many rooms? No. When you go upstairs on the second floor, what can we see there?
Only bedroom. 2
bedroom.
bedroom.
2 bedrooms. Very good. Now, how many rooms are there in your dream house?
Wait.
Mm-hmm. Is it many because you're counting?
Yeah, I'm counting.
Okay, how many?
I don't know.
How
I
many?
can count.
Oh, you count.
6.
6. Wow, there are 6 rooms in your house. So what are these 6 rooms, Kanchi? Can you tell
2
teacher?
toilets.
And then?
2 bedroom.
Okay, and then what else is the 2?
No. 7.
7.
7.
2 toilets, 2 bedroom. What else?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay, what's the 2?
Living room and dining room.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what do you like? What color do you like of your house? Do you want a pink house, Kanchi?
What?
Do you like a pink house? Color pink house?
No.
What
I
color
like
do you like?
a duck.
Dark.
Duck.
Duck.
Yes, in the pool.
You have a duck in the pool.
Yeah.
Wow.
The
So
duck
what?
is swimming.
The duck is swimming in your pool. So it means that in your house, you have a swimming pool.
A chicken.
A chicken too?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you like to have a chicken?
I do try to them eat.
You throw rice for them to eat.
Yes.
Very good. Now, what do you like? What color do you like of your dream house? What color of your dream house?
The dream house is rainbow color.
Wow, it's like a unicorn.
Yeah.
Because it has a rainbow color. Okay, so next one, Kenchi. Are there any rooms that are under the ground too?
No.
Why? Why don't you like?
I don't like.
You don't like underground.
Yeah.
Okay, now, which is your favorite room in your house?
My favorite room is my bedroom.
Why? Why your bedroom?
In my dream, I see many stickers stick on the wall, and the prince said,
Ah, so you
I
want
love it.
your bedroom to have many stickers in the wall.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Now, what can you see from the windows of your dream house?
See a ostrich.
Ostrich?
Yeah.
So in your house, you have a duck, you have a chicken, and an ostrich?
Yeah.
Why? Why do you like an ostrich?
But I like it.
You like an ostrich, but it's a very big bird. It's scary.
Hey,
Where will the ostrich sleep?
sleep on the tree.
Oh, so the ostrich will go up the tree to sleep. Ah, okay. Oh, now, is there a garden in your house, Kenji?
Yes, it has many plants.
Oh, so your mom will plant those flowers.
Yeah, it has many trees and a big tree.
Oh, you want a big tree, but it's scary.
It's not scary.
Are you not scared of a
The
big
dog
tree?
can play football, and me and Tom to play there.
Ah, so the dog.
In the garden, have a playground too.
Wow. So you are going to play with the dog in the playground.
Yes.
Okay. And Tom also. Okay, so now Kenchi, let's have this. Write 10 words to put in the gaps. You choose. Okay. So Kenchi, now you're going to read this one and then you choose your answer, okay? You decide your answer. Okay, so now read and answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Who?
Oh, you read first the story. Can't you read first the story? Hi, I live in blank street. Okay. Okay, Kanchi, oh, you read it now. Hi, I live in blank street.
I live in a name street.
Mhm.
There are only about a number of houses and flats in our street.
So, how many houses and flats are there in your street, Kanchi, for example? Hmm? How many houses are there in your street? What do you think? Do you know how many? Is it 20, 50?
What?
How many houses and flats do you have in your street?
I don't know.
Okay. So now, just read the story, Kanchi. And then later on, we are going to find out the answers, okay? Can you read it now, please? Okay, read it now. Hi, I live in blank street.
I don't know.
Okay, teacher will read it. Hi, I live in blank street. There are only about blank houses and flats in our street. I don't know everyone, but we're friends with the fish family. They live in a blank white house. It's got lots of windows and a funny blank roof. Mr. Fish is a sports teacher and he likes cooking blank on his balcony. Mrs. Fish gives dancing and music lessons. She can play the blank really well. She can make really great chocolate blank too. Mr. and Mrs. Fish have got a son who's called Blank. He's got a pet blank. I really like playing blank with him in their garden after school. Okay, so now Kenji. Okay, now let's skip this one. Okay, so now Kenji, let's have this activity. It says here, listen and tick the box. Example, which is Lily's house? Okay, so now Kenji, let's do this.
10B. People in our street. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Lily's house?
Which is your house, Lily? Is it the one with the grey roof?
No, our house hasn't got a garden and its roof is red.
Oh, OK. And what colour is the door?
Blue, my favourite colour.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's Dan's father doing now?
What's Dad doing, Mum? Is he washing his car again?
No, Dan. Look, he's playing with the poppy.
Ah, great! Can I go and see?
Yes, but put your coat on first.
2. What are Lily and Dan playing?
Are Lily and Dan playing table tennis?
Not today. And Dan didn't want to play football.
Oh, so they're playing badminton?
That's right. They like doing that.
3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Hello, Dan. How does your mum travel to work? By bus?
She goes on the train. It's quicker.
Does she ride her bike to work sometimes?
No, she never does that.
4. What's on Mr. Field's balcony?
Mr. Field's got a new pet, Mum. It's on his balcony.
Is it a rabbit?
No, it's a parrot. Look.
Oh, yes. What kind of pet would you like?
A kitten.
5. Who's waiting at the bus stop?
Is that your mum at the bus stop?
No, it's my best friend's grandmother.
Oh. Which bus stop's there?
The number 1. It goes to the beach.
All right, so now let us check the answers. Number 1. What's Dan's father doing now? Answer is B. Number 2. What are Lily and Dan playing? Answer is A. How does Dan's mother go to work? Answer is A. What is on Mr. Field's balcony? Answer is C. Who is waiting at the bus stop? Answer is B. Wow! Good job, Kenchi. 5 points for you.
Yay.
Yes. All right, so you got 5 perfect points. Okay, next one. Let's have this. Pronunciation.
Erase. Erase.
Okay, I erase it. Okay, In the last question in B, there were two family words. What are they? All right, can you say it, Kenchi?
Mom, grandmother.
Mom and grandmother. So, can you say it one more time? Mom.
Mom, grandmother.
Very good. Sometimes these two letters sound the same, okay? When you say the letter U and letter O, sometimes they sound the same. Okay, so now, Kenchi, listen to us. Okay, listen, and after that, repeat the sentence.
10C. People in our street. Listen to us.
My son, my brother,
My
my
son,
mother,
my brother,
and my uncle
my
are
brother,
waiting in
and my
Up
uncle
Under Road for the number 1 bus.
are waiting in the umbrella road on the number 1 bus.
Okay, very good. My son, my brother, my mother, and my uncle are waiting in up on the road for the number 1 bus. Oh, who's that? Tom?
Ethan,
What is he doing?
he go to the toilet.
In the toilet. Okay. So now, how many sounds are there in the sentence, Kenji? Can you count?
Wait, I can count it.
Mhm.
Wait for me.
Okay, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Okay, so there are 8 sounds in the sentence. Very good. Okay, let's have this. Can you read the take note, Kenji?
Wait for me. Okay. What? Where? Oh, is mama. I don't know.
It's pronounced ah.
It's pronounced
Hmm?
as you
Discover.
it.
Can you say it?
Discover.
Hmm?
Discover them in the book for exam. Another. Come. Love. Monday. Monkey. Nothing. Some. Someone.
Mhm. And some.
Something.
Very good. Okay, so these are words with O sounds. Note, for your own reference only, notice that in most cases, an O that is pronounced O will have either an N, M, L, or something. Okay, now let's answer this one.
Oh.
Read and choose the best answer. Okay, number 1 example only. What's the new girl's name? Answer, it's Sally Love. Okay, number 1, Kenji. What's she like? What's she like? Or you choose A, B, or C?
She like chocolate. No.
What?
She really nice.
Okay, so let's check. The answer is cheese. She's really nice is correct. Next
What?
one.
Why? Why is she really nice?
Oh no, but this is just an example answer to some questions. Okay. So let's try number 2. Has she got any brothers?
Only one, I think.
Okay, that's correct. Next one. Tell me about her.
She good at sport.
She's good at sport. Very good. Shall I invite her to my party?
Good idea.
Good idea. What's her phone number?
I don't know, but I can ask her.
Very good. That is the correct answers. Okay, very good, Kanchi. Still a perfect score. Okay, next one. Read and draw a picture of Dan, Lily, and Sally. Okay, so can you read this first, Kanchi? I'll read this one first. Dan,
Dan and Lily both live at a tree, and now Sally lives there too. Dan got brown eyes, but Lily's eyes are blue and bigger than Dan. Dan got biggest nose and the biggest ear, but his mouth is the smallest. Dan hair is brown and really curly, but Lily brown and straight. Lily hair is black. It's shorter than Lily hair, but it's longer than Dan hair.
okay.
What color Lily eyes?
What
Blue.
color? Very
Blue.
good. It's blue. Next one. Number 2.
Had Dan got a big nose or a small nose? A big nose.
Big nose. Number 3.
Who got a smaller mouth? Is Lily hair straight or curly? Straight. What color are the Lily Sally got? Black. Who got a longish hair? Lily.
Lily. Okay. Very good, Kanchi. You always got a perfect score. Okay, next one. Let's have this. Okay, so now, Kanchi, you're going to draw. Okay, so in the first box, yeah, no. In the first box, can you draw the face of Dan? Dan in the first box. Second box is the face of Lily, and third is Sally.
Dan is a boy.
Yeah, Dan is a boy. Wow, what a nice hair Dan has got.
A big nose. Big nose. Big
Wow, big nose and big ears.
Small mouth.
Oh, next one. How about Lily?
Lily.
Draw the face of Lily.
Lily.
Lily. Oh, Lily has Blue eyes, okay?
Yeah, wait for me.
Don't
I
forget.
draw blue eyes. I draw blue eyes now. No, wait for me.
Mhm. Wow, such a pretty eyes.
Ini. Blonde is yellow. Blonde
Yes,
is yellow
blonde is yellow.
and straight. No, wait for me. It's not easy.
It's okay, I can wait.
It's not easy.
Mhm.
It's not easy to draw.
Yes, and teacher doesn't know how to draw also.
Hmm. Wait for me. I draw the hair of that is brown.
Okay. Dan's hair is brown. Wow, Sally is so pretty. Oh no, Lily. Lily's pretty.
Straight hair.
Mhm.
Sally, this is Lily.
Yes, how about Sally?
Then Sally.
Yes, on the third box, draw Sally's face.
Sally.
Mhm.
Sally.
Okay, so what's the color of Sally's eyes? Ah, blue
Blue.
also. Blue
Like
and bigger.
Lily.
Mhm.
Like Lily.
Like Lily's eyes.
It's like Lily eyed.
Mhm. They are both blue. Blue eyes.
Wait.
Oh, what's the color of Sally's hair?
I draw a mouth.
Oh, mouth
Mouth.
first.
And
Okay.
nose.
All right.
Wait, no. Wait for me. No. Not easy. I draw eyes. Wait
Mhm.
for me.
It's okay.
I can't join.
Why? Okay, now you can draw the hair.
Sorta. Wait for me. I draw like this and I draw Sally. I draw Lily is longer.
Okay.
Wait.
All right. I'm
Wait,
just
no.
It's okay, don't worry.
Finish.
Finish. Okay, wow. What a very nice face of Dan, Lily, and Sally. All right. Because of this, I will give you 5 points. Very good, Kenchi. All right. So now, okay, teacher will erase. All right, so now, Kenchi, let's have this one. Opposites puzzle. All right, so you can see here some words, Kenchi. Big, wrong, tall, short, hot, curly, ugly, difficult, beautiful, right, cold, sad, quiet, easy, dirty, small, clean, loud, straight, and happy. Okay, so now, Kenchi.
That's all. Big and
Tell-
small.
Okay, very good. So these are opposite words, big and small. How about wrong?
Wrong.
What's the opposite of wrong?
Wait for me. Wrong. Right.
Wrong and right. How about tall?
Short.
How about hot?
Cold.
How about ugly? Curly. Curly first. Curly.
Straight.
Next one is ugly. What's the opposite of ugly?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Next one. Difficult.
Easy.
Very good. Easy.
That right.
All right. Next one is right.
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 And I can see it.
Right. Wait. Right. We're finished with right already. So next one is sad.
Right. Right and what?
Wrong, right, and
Okay.
wrong. Your answer is right and wrong. So next one will be sad.
Happy.
Okay,
Quiet.
quiet.
Loud. Dirty.
Dirty.
Clean. Finished.
All right, let's check the answers. Okay, now big and small. Oh wait, what happened? Big and small, correct. Wrong and right. Tall and short. Hot and cold. Curly and straight. Ugly and beautiful. Difficult, easy. sad, happy, dirty, and clean. Okay. So very good, Kenchi, because you got all the correct answers. So next one, Kenchi. Let's see. All right. Complete the answers in your notebook. Okay, now, Kenchi, let's try to answer this one.
I don't know to try.
Oh, is your street in the town or center?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, next one. Is your street long or short?
Long,
Wow. Is your street quiet or noisy?
quiet,
Are there lots of houses or flats in your street?
how and flat too.
How is there a
Many.
lot? Many?
Yes,
Wow. Are there any gardens in your street?
yes,
Oh, do you play there in the garden?
yes.
Very good. How many people live in your street, Kenchi?
There's so many, I don't know.
Many.
Million. 1
Million?
million.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so plenty. Now, is there a bus stop in your street?
Yes, it's many.
Very good. Are there any shops in your street?
Yes, it's many.
Give me example of the shop in your street.
Toy shop.
Toy shop. Okay, what else?
No, many, I can't.
Do you have a restaurant there also?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. How about a bookshop?
Yes.
How about a supermarket?
Yes.
Right, very good. So there are lots of shops in your street. All right. Last question. Why do you like living in your street, Kenchi?
Because it's very beautiful.
Oh, because your street is very beautiful. That's correct. Okay, so very good, Kenchi. So we're finished with our lesson for tonight, okay? So, see you again on Tuesday.
Goodbye.
Chúc cô ngon!